Dear students, we are getting into a new chapter. The chapter name is circles. Circle is not that new for you. Some basic properties of circles you will be learning in this chapter. And just look at the screen, you can see circles over there one after another. If I ask you how many circles are there, you will simply answer me that 4 circles are there. And if I ask you to tell me about the circles, you may tell me there is a red circle, there is a green circle, there is a blue circle, and there is a violet circle. Correct? Then if I ask you what is the difference between these circles, you will surely say that they are of different color, which you already told. What more difference is there? You may say that green is the biggest circle in this, correct? And red is also big, but blue and violet are small. तो blue and violet क्यों साथ में बोला? Because it looks almost same in size. Correct? That means if I ask you what is the difference between these circles, you will say that they are of different size. Correct? If they are of different size, what makes them different in their size? You would say that from the center, ये जो black spot है, from the center to the circle, the distance is different. Here it is big, here it is small, here it is almost same. And this distance from the center of the circle to the circle, we have studied or named as radius. Radius of the circle. So actually the difference is in the radius. Here the radius is big, here the radius is small, very small. Here the radius you will say medium, दोनों के बीच में है. But all these are radius we are talking about. Then what is radius? Radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the circle. Correct? So, actually, a circle is identified or defined or drawn with the help of the radius. Understood? It is the radius what makes these red, green, blue circles different from each other. If I had drawn all in black color, then you will say clearly that they are big, small because of their radii. Correct? From this we will start this video where the fundamental of understanding a circle. There are certain other elements or features related to circle. To make you understand, I should have circle, and a circle is drawn with the help of a compass. This is the compass. Your geometry box also contain a compass. A compass is having its one sharp end which you will be fixing where you wish to make the center of the circle. Then it will be having the other end where there is a pencil in your case, and you will lift the compass and keep at the center where you wish to draw the circle. Will expand it according to the requirement, according to your wish, to decide the radius of the circle. It is the expansion of the compass which decides the radius of the circle, and you will decide it. and you will rotate the compass. Here I will push this particular pencil, it will create a circle over here. A circle has been made. If I want to make another circle with another radius, I will change the expansion of the compass, and here the expansion is changed and another circle is drawn. Quite big circle. And the next term you have to get familiar with is a chord. C-H-O-R-D. What is a chord? I have to make you understand chord by drawing chord. That will be easy for you to understand. Then I will explain you. If you draw a line segment within the circle, I should say interior of the circle, touching at 2 points on the circle, we call it as a chord. So how many chords are possible? What can be its size? You can draw as many number of chords you want. All these are chords. Understood? The peculiarity is that the chord is drawn inside the circle or the interior of the circle. Then this is exterior. This is interior. Understood? Chord is drawn the interior of the circle, touching 2 points on the circle. Then if I draw a chord like this, passing through the center, how many I can draw? I can draw as many as I wish. Passing through the center, passing through the center. That chord is named as diameter. The chord passing through the center of the circle is named as diameter. So we had a measurement called from the center to the circle as radius, a chord passing through the center as diameter. Understood? Here also, if you draw a line from center to the circle, we named it as radius. But if I extend and make a chord passing through the center, it will become double of radius, no? By measure, that is the diameter. So diameter also a chord, but peculiarity is that it passes through the center, and diameter is double of circle's radius by size. If the radius is equal to 4 centimeter, then diameter will be surely 2 into 4, 8 centimeter. And diameter is a chord. You are recollecting what you have learned, and little specifically that last year you just made it in such a way that this is circle, that is triangle. We are inside the circle now, interior of the circle now, learning more about radius, chord and diameter. And how many diameters? N number of. Kitna bhi bana sakte hai. Right? But radius will decide the size of the circle. Here is a picture from your textbook where you are asked to write the radius, diameter and chord of the given figure. In that case, we can see that radius must be from the center to the circle. OS is a radius, O to S, this length. OM is also a radius. OT is also a radius. OP is also a radius, correct? But diameter is something which goes through the center, and it's the longest chord here. PS is the diameter from P to S, from M to T. And what are codes here? Other than diameter, we are having NM as a code. Chord touches the circle at 2 points internally. Interior it would be. It's a line segment. You are learning about specialities, peculiarities related to circle. And your question will be to identify this. Which is the radius, which is the diameter, which is the chord, what is interior of triangle, what is circle, what is exterior of circle, like that, simple questions. What is the instrument used for measuring the making a circle? Then you will write compass. This is the spelling. Understood? So this is something very basic about what we say circle. You will go ahead to know that what is more to understand and learn about circle in this chapter. Let me clean this. Okay. Chalo. Now it is about drawing a circle. To draw a circle you need compass. To draw a particular circle you should have its diameter, its radius. You will decide where to draw a circle which will be considered as the center of the circle. And you will bring compass over there. Will adjust the span of the compass which will decide the radius of the circle. Suppose if it is 5 centimeter, you will measure 5 centimeter by the compass on the scale, and you will take that measure on the scale and will draw the circle. Understood? For example, if I have to draw, I will take the compass onto the scale, measure how much I want, that much measurement I will make, and will draw the circle at the position where I wish the center of the circle should be. And a circle comes out. If I take another radius, the circle will be of another size. The pencil should be sharp, and the pencil and the tip of the compass which is sharp, that should coincide. Pencil should not be neither behind or ahead. It should coincide in its length with the tip of the compass. Then you will draw the circle. For drawing the circle, compass, pencil, a sharp pencil, and you need the measurement if you wish to draw a circle of particular radius. Okay, so that is what mainly you have to understand, from which you came to the conclusion that you can draw a circle if radius is given. Another aspect is, if you try to draw diameter within a circle, I am going to draw a few diameters inside the circle. For that again I need ruler. I am going to draw diameter. Through the center I can draw diameter. One diameter. Here is another diameter through the center. Here is another diameter. It should touch the circle. Okay, so 3 diameters I have drawn through the center of the circle. Now it is given that it will be of same length according to the textbook. How we will come to know that whether they are of same length? No other way we will measure it. I will measure the diameter here. It is 5 centimeter. Correct? Take the other diameter, 5 centimeter. Take the third one. Yes. Measure the third one. That too 5 centimeter. That means the statement that all diameters of a circle are of same length is true. We did it practically to see that. So you understood 2-3 things here. What is meant by radius of a circle, and radius decides what the nature of the size of the circle. You also understood what is meant by chord, which is touching at 2 points on the circle. You also understood what is meant by diameter, which is a chord passing through the center of the circle, and also it is twice radius. This also you understood. Finally, just now you understood that diameters of all diameters in a circle are of same length. You have a little more about circles that I will be doing in the next video, because these are fundamentals and very essential for you. आपको क्या करना है? You will be drawing circles with the help of compass in your geometry box. Draw as many circles you wish to draw. लेकिन take the scale and take the measure of radius, more than one radius within the circle, more than one diameter within the circle. Also draw some chord within the circle and try to draw a chord through the center. That will be the diameter. That means you spend time with your book, compass, ruler, pencil, and less with your eraser, and practice it. The rest of the things will be done in the next video. Thank you. Now click on the subscription button below to subscribe the channel, then the bell button to get the notifications of the new videos. Thank you.